How to turn off weekly screen time updates notifications on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First, you will just open TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening guys, you will just go down here on your profile. Open your profile, then go to this three line here. Click on it, then go to settings and privacy. After this, go to notifications, and then you have to go down to weekly screen time update, and now turn off this option by clicking here on this blue icon, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.